Is your PS5 displaying error code WS-116486-6? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are experiencing WS-116486-6, this means there is an issue connecting to the server. The first thing you can try is check the PSN server status. Open your browser and go to the PlayStation Network server status. Check if there are any issues or alerts affecting PSN services such as gaming and social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are issues, wait for Sony to resolve them. If there are no issues, move on to the next solution. Method 2. Restore licenses. The next thing you should do is restore licenses. Go to the settings menu on your PS5. Select users and accounts. Select other. Select restore licenses. Once done, check if the error code WS-1164866 is gone. Method 3. Update system software. Next, update your system software. Go to the settings menu on your PS5. Select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. Select Update using Internet and wait for the download and installation to complete. Method 4. Log out and log in again. Next, log out and log into your PSN account. To do that, go to the settings menu on your PS5. Select Users and Accounts. Select Other. Select Sign Out. Restart the PS5. Sign in again and check if the error code WS-116486-6 is gone. Method 5. Power cycle the router. Next, you can restart the router or modem to eradicate any connectivity issue. Turn off the router, unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. Plug the router back into the power outlet. Power on the router and wait for all panel lights to turn green. Now relaunch the game. Method 6. Change DNS. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Rebuild the database. Next, you can rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take up to 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 8. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code WS-116486-6 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.